Hi everyone. How are you today? I was day. I lot being able to greet you. I hope you are well. My name is Lorena Cuesta Palacios, a student from Secretary University. Today we will talk about the arguments of Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump about the control and regulation on the Hungate, but I will explain in what aspects and disagreed. Okay? You ready? For Hillary Clinton, EU good control is important. She consideration that it is time to protect citizens and control the use that reflects the state that common sense laid and reform on the use of weapons are necessary. Hillary Clinton. Donald Trump, on the other hand, is in favor of the use of weapons and says that can be used in school, and in his position he does not stabilize or propose reform for the control of weapons in the use. It is in time for a change that is why disagreed with the position of former President Donald Trump, the little control and follow-up in the purchase and use of weapons continued to heritage many wars and little peace. I do not share the way in which arms control has been handled, nor the position of Donald Trump. I consideration my opinion that like common fish that is necessary to control arms, but also to heritage awareness in society to make change that heal not only to avoid the use of love but as so to heritage mental health campaigns in citizens and Americans. Protest, keep no guns. Thank you so much. Bye bye.